Hello, how you doing? This is Simon, otherwise known as Gundam UK, and this is my next work in progress series. And as you can see, I am working on a master grade Jegan. A nice, simple grunt kit, nice size, nice big pieces of armour for me to paint onto. I'm not really going to make many kind of modifications to this. I might scratch out a few extra panels here and there, maybe just doing a bit more detailing here on the backpack. But other than that, this is just going to be pretty much a straightforward custom paint job. So, kit itself is really simple. It didn't take me long to build at all. The gun is a little bit pathetic, but we'll give that some more thought as I go through the build. I selected some colours that I'm going to use here. All of the armour is actually going to just be white, mostly. I'm going to use this 40th anniversary Russian aircraft blue, the inner frame. I'm going to use this light gold grey just for some contrast in the armour. Maybe the collar parts here and the tops of the feet here will perhaps be in this grey. Also going to use this lovely shade of Mr. Colour Blue. This blue is going to replace all of the red parts on here. And I'll also be using this for some striping detail, just to do something interesting. Some yellow for the yellow parts. Again, this is going to be used as a contrast colour for the striping, which I'll think about once we've got the base coat of white laid down on all the armour parts. And just some standard orange yellow. That's for the thruster parts, especially here in the backpack, down here by the feet. Also lovely little details on this kit that I'm really enjoying. Though the hands are absolutely rubbish, keep falling off. That's not a problem though, nothing a bit of glue can't fix. So now all the assembly is complete. Let's make a start on getting it painted and get it primed up. I'm going to start, as always, with the weapons. Going to start with this shield here, backpack, and this pea shooter of a weapon. So let's get on and get priming. So I've skipped ahead a few steps here. I've gone ahead and finished the shield and the weapon and the backpack here. And as you can see, it's kind of taken on a bit of a rollout colour scheme in a minute. Completely unintentional, it just happened. Also used brighter yellow here in the thrusters. Backpack's more or less done, I just need to do some decaling and top coat on that. Same with the shield here. There's some of that Russian blue that I used for the inner frame parts. And then here's the pea shooter. A bit of a blue accent here on the kind of handle of the weapon. Just disassembled the entire leg section here, just to get it ready for priming. You can see here, as always, I have masked off all of the connecting pegs to do with the joints, just to make sure we don't have any possibility of paint getting in there and weakening the old pegs and making something snap. I've done that on all of the joints on the foot as well, in the ankle here. So let's get on and start painting all of these parts in the same kind of colour scheme that I'm doing here. Now I kind of did it as I went along, so I masked off this part here in blue and did these back parts of the shoulder thrusters in blue as well. So I'll just kind of be picking and choosing as I go along to see which parts I'm going to change colours of. So let's get on with that. Okay, so I've just finished doing all the base painting now for the legs and the waist section. I primed everything in this lovely L-Clad 2 grey primer and microfiller, and I then went over all of the parts with some 1200 grit sandpaper in a bowl of water and wet sanded everything down to have a nice smooth finish. With the first base coat here for the inner frame parts in that lovely Russian grey blue. And did a base coat in very high gloss black here on some of the parts that I'm going to paint metallic later on. And all the armour parts I've just now gone over and done a base coat in just the colour GX white. Going to give that a good 24 hours to cure properly, and then we're going to give that a coat of this colour GX gloss just to seal it all in, so we have a nice surface on which we can do our decals. I've picked out some decals that I'm going to use in this project, and they are these, which are Mecha decals, series 1 in red and in white. These of course have been designed by the one and only child of Mecha and are available to purchase through USA Gundam store. So do check these out, they are absolutely incredible quality, fantastic detail, and of course printed by Cartograph. So if you want some of these, go and pick some up. USAGundamStore.com. I'll be using these throughout the entire model, and I'm really looking forward to trying them out. Also got some metallic detail parts here, just some simple kind of circular metallic pieces that are going to go onto the joint parts, just to add a bit of kind of metallic detail here and there. Once we've done that, it's just a matter of doing some blue parts and yellow parts. We'll figure that out as we're going on, and then we're going to move on to the torso. So that's about it from this first work in progress series for the Master Grade Jegan. Thank you all for watching, and I hope you're all staying safe out there, and I will see you again next time. Bye bye.